Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a sales order in Zoho Books, a complete step-by-step guide for 2025. Whether you're managing clients for the first time or looking to streamline your sales workflow, this video will make the process simple and straightforward. So stick around till the end, because I'll also share a tip that can save you a lot of time when creating sales orders. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Sign in using your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Zoho Books dashboard, which is your central hub for all accounting and sales activities. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Knowing where things are will make creating sales orders much easier. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see the Sales tab. Click on it to reveal various sales-related options. From here, select Customers. This will bring up a list of all your clients. Now choose the customer for whom you want to create the sales order. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find them quickly. If it's a new customer, you can add their details right here before generating their first sales order. Selecting the correct customer is crucial because it ensures that the sales order reflects their preferences, billing details, and account history. Once the customer is selected, click on New Sales Order. Fill in the required details such as the items or services, quantity, price, and any applicable taxes or discounts. Double-check all the information to make sure everything is accurate. This will prevent errors later on. After filling in the sales order details, review it one last time. Once you're satisfied, click Save and Send to email it directly to your customer, or save as draft if you want to review it later. Zoho Books also allows you to print the sales order or export it as a PDF, giving you flexibility in how you manage your client communications. And that's it. You've successfully created a sales order in Zoho Books. With this process, managing your clients and sales becomes much easier and more organized. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more Zoho tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions or tips of your own. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.